Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a caliper on a four-wheel drive, pickup truck, or 4Runner 1986 through 1989.
We're getting ready to remove the caliper, so we're going to take this off. This is a 10 millimeter flared wrench you're going to need. You could try to do it with something else, but it's probably not going to work out. So it just fits on like that. Boom. Take this guy off. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this in a baggie and I'm going to zip tie it. And it's going to keep most of the brake fluid in the baggie. So you can kind of see how I just put a baggie on with the zip tie. Okay, so the caliper is held on by this bolt here. Boom. There's another one right here. Boom. 17 millimeter. I'm going to take those off. But I'm going to have to use a little bit of leverage for this. So let me show you how that looks. Wow. Sheesh. Okay, I did the same thing with both sides. All right, so back to construction. There we go. Goes through. All right, and then we're going to go through the next one. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, there we go. Next, here's where the anti-rattle comes in. So go boom. It's got to go around the anti-rattle. Okay. And then one here again. Goes through. You may need to lift up the pad so it goes through. There we go. All right. There. All right. Now, these go through these two holes. There's two holes on this pad, and it's a super tight fit. So take that, bend it a little bit, boom, and make sure that this curvature goes over the pad. All right, so that goes over the pad, this goes into the hole. Like I said, it's a really tight fit. I feel like a dentist. Come on, boys. Tweak it a little bit. There we go. And then put this, pop this over. All right. Now, anti-rattle. So, rotate that a little bit to get it in. Seat it in here. Okay. Now I'm going to try to get it in this hole. So once again, I'm going to take this. Oop. Almost had it. Oop. Almost had it. It's really bent now. There we go. Boom. Tweaked it a little bit, but that's okay. All right, there you go.